Hi everyone, welcome to Bee's Bites. I'm Bee, and in today's video we're going to be making vegan mee goreng. Mee goreng is a really popular Singaporean and Malaysian hawker dish, and it's also actually really easy to make. The core ingredients are basically vegan anyway. It's just about finding a sambal that is vegan friendly, so without the shrimp paste, and removing the chicken or seafood or eggs and replacing it with another type of protein like fried beancurd, for example. Okay, so here we have the ingredients that we need. We have cooked Hokkien noodles, which I prefer to use over the kinds you find in the supermarket that you usually have to boil with water first, just because I find that this tastes more authentic, but feel free to use other Hokkien noodles as well. And I've got sweet potato here that's been chopped up. It's a healthier alternative to potato. I've got sliced onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped garlic, a bit of lime, the fried bean curd, fresh bean sprouts, and the ingredients for the sauce, which is basically ketchup, soy sauce, and sambal, and fried shallots for a garnish. Alright, so now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's get cooking.
The first thing we want to do is boil some water and add your sweet potato so it can get cooking. While the sweet potato cooks, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil to a hot pan, and I'll add my onion and garlic and saute that off. We'll just give it a quick stir and we'll cook it till the onions have started to brown up a bit. Once that's done, we'll add the chopped up tomato and cook it till it's nice and soft. While that cooks, let's check on our sweet potato with the fork test. If you can easily put your fork through a piece, then it's good to go. Now we'll just drain it and set it aside. Once the tomatoes have softened up, we'll add about 50 grams of fried bean curd or tofu puffs to the pan. I've just cut these in half. We'll also add in the sweet potato and give it a good stir. Now we'll go in with the ingredients for the sauce. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of sambal. You can add more or less depending on your spice preference. And then we'll go in with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And make sure you get all of that sauce off the spoon and into the pan. Give it a good stir and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Next, we're going to add a handful of bean sprouts to the pan. At this stage, I would have also added some green leafy veg like bok choy or spinach, but to be honest, I forgot to buy some, so we'll have to do without in this recipe. But feel free to add whatever veg you're using at this point. Once the bean sprouts are a bit translucent, we'll add in the noodles. These noodles tend to stick to each other a little bit, so a trick is to squeeze the packet up and down to try and separate the noodles, or you can also just pull out handfuls at a time and add it in. Do whatever you find easiest, just make sure you mix the noodles well with the rest of the ingredients. Once that's all done, we'll just add a squeeze of lime for some freshness, and we're ready for our garnish and to eat.
Alright, so there you have it. That was my vegan mee goreng recipe. Think of it as a base vehicle really, and add to it what you will, whether that's frozen veg, green leafy veg, chicken, prawns, fish cake, whatever. Make it your own. It's really tasty and it's really easy, so I hope you try it. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like and subscribe for more videos next week. Bye!